On this video today, I'm going to show you another free traffic source that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. The traffic source that I'm about to show you today is based in the United States, so you are going to be getting people who have the purchasing power to buy the product. And the best part is that this method is very simple and you can use it wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you the best product that you can promote to earn money with this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. In this case, I'm using Digistore24. Digistore24 is a platform where you can get digital products to promote and then earn a commission anytime you get a sale. It is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can create an account on Digistore24 and then promote products so that you can be earning money. When you earn a commission, you can get your payment through your PayPal accounts, your bank transfer, Payoneer. Any payment method that you want, you can select it and your commission is going to be paid through that payment method. So now once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to find a product to promote. To find a product, you are going to click here, Marketplace. Once you click on the Marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. You can see these are categories of digital products that you can promote. Any of them that you click on, you are going to find a digital product that you can promote and then earn a commission. You can see a whole lot of them. For example, if I click on business and investment, you will find a digital product that you can promote. As I click on it, you can see this is a digital product that you can promote. Millionaire Secret. The commission rate is $13.01. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. When you scroll down, you can see there's another product, Project Seniority. When you promote it and get a sale, you are going to be earning $504.54 per every sale that you get. So some of the products, the commission rate is high, others the commission rate is very low. So it depends on any of the product that you want. You can see this product, the commission rate is $372.50. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. If you don't want to promote digital products, you can promote events and seminars, you can promote services, you can promote physical products. Any kind of product that you want, you can find it on Digistore24 and then promote it so that you can be earning a commission anytime you get a sale. In this video, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting a physical product. So click on physical products. Once you click on physical products, you can see skincare. If you want skincare products, you can click on it and then promote those products. If you want supplements, you can click on it and then promote supplements. In this case, we are going to be promoting a supplement, so click on supplements. Once you click on supplements, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see the first supplement, male enhancement, Eisen Power. That is the name of the product. When you scroll down, you can see the commission rate here, $104.80 per every sale that you get. So when you scroll down, there are many others that you can promote. As I scroll, you can see the next one, the commission rate is $110.84. That is the amount that you are going to earn per every sale that you get. You can see many others that you can promote to earn money from home. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. You can see many products that you can promote. If you want, you can click on page 2. You can click on page 3 and you are going to find products that you can promote. You can see right here there are 95 products under this category. So if you want, you can check all of them and then find the best product that you can promote. In this case, I'm going to click on the page 2 so that I can show you a trending product that you can promote. Once you click on page 2, you are going to scroll down. You can see tonic greens. This product is one of the best that you can promote because when you look at the popularity, it has a 5-star rating, which means it's very popular on this platform. You can see the commission rate is $95.84 per every sale that you get. When you scroll down, you can see the cart conversion is very high, 15%. That means if you promote it to 100 people, you are going to be getting 15% of the 100 people buying the product. If you promote it to 1,000 people, you are going to be getting 15% of the 1,000 people buying the product. So this is one of the best products that you can promote since the conversion rate is high. You need conversion. You need people to buy the product for you to earn money. So now, once you have selected the product, the next step is that you have to check the sales page so that you can get to know more about the product. So when you read right here, you can see the product is about how to boost your immune system. You can see boost the immune system. That is what the product is about. But if you want more details, you can just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can click right here, sales page, so that you can get more information about the product. Once you click on the sales page, you are going to see a page like this. This is the page that your potential visitors are going to see before they decide to buy the product. If you click on the speaker, you can hear the sound in the video. Let me scroll down so that we can get more information. Once you scroll down, you can see the different prices of the product that your potential customers can select. You can see they have 79 per bottle, they have 49 per bottle, 59 per bottle. It depends on the package that your potential customer choose. Any of them that they choose, they are going to be enjoying free shipping, and you are going to be earning a commission. As I scroll down, you can see everything about the product. You can see they have 100% money back guarantee. This information can win the trust of your potential customers to buy the product. As a school, you can see everything about the product. Now, once you have gotten to know the basic information about the product, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. To promote the product, you have to get your affiliate link. So just come back. Once you come back, you are going to click right here so that you can copy your affiliate link. If you are new to the product, you are going to see promote now, just like this. Let me scroll down to show you can see promote now. Click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link is going to look like this. So you have to copy it and then drive traffic to this link so that you can get people to buy it. You can use paid traffic sources to get people to buy the product. You can use free traffic sources to get people to buy the product. The paid traffic source, you are going to be getting quick results. By the free traffic source, you need a lot of effort so that you can make a sale. In this case, I'm going to show you a high quality free traffic source that you can use to get people in the United States to click on this link and then buy the product for you to make money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is usnetads.com. This is a classified website that is based in the United States. So you are going to be getting people in the United States to click on your link and then buy the product. People who live in the United States, most of them have the purchasing power to buy the product. United States is one of the tier 1 countries, so most of the traffic from that country is high quality. So you can use this website to get people in that country to click on your link and then make a purchase so that you can be earning money. The best part is that you don't need to register for an account on this website, so you can post as many ads that you want in a single day. On classified websites, many people are posting, so you have to make sure that you post a lot so that you can get results. You can see many people have posted different ads on the platform. You can see the second one, a lot of different ads. So what you have to do is that you have to keep on posting, post a lot of different ads so that you can get results. To post on this website, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post ads for free. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to type a title of your ad right here and then a description. So you can go back on the product landing page and then find a better title. If you want, you can also enter your own title here. To get a nice title and a description for your ad, what you have to do is that you have to come on Google and then search the name of the product. You can see tonic green. Once you search for it, you can see reviews. People are writing reviews about the product. On scroll down, you can see many articles about the product. As a scroll, you can see a lot of them. Any of them that you want, you can click on it and then use it. Just scroll down and then click on any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to click on this review. Once you click on it, you can see this is the article. You can see everything in the article. As I scroll, you can see a lot of different information about the product. So now what you have to do is that you have to get your title. The title can be the name of the product, so you can just highlight the name of the product and then copy it. Once you copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. If you want, you can add more text so that it can look catchy for people to click on it and then buy the product. As you can see, this is the text that I've added. Boost your immune system to stay strong and healthy. That is the subtitle that I've posted. You can equally post a subtitle like this, but it shouldn't be the same. If you paste the same title, this website is going to see it as ad duplicate, so they are going to delete your ad. Do not paste the same title. Once you have your title, the next step is the description. So you are going to come back on the article. Once you come back, you are going to scroll down and then copy any text that you want about the product. So you just highlight and copy this portion of the article. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste the description, you can see add image. You have to add an image of the product. To get an image of the product, search for the name of the product. Once you search for it, select images. Once you select images, you can see different images about the product. As I scroll down, you can see a whole lot of them. Any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, I'm going to use this image, so right click on it. Once you right click on it, select save image as so that you can save the image onto your device. Once you save the image, click on browse so that you can upload your image. Once you click on browse, select your image, click on open. As considered has been done, your image has been uploaded. Once you upload the image, the next step is that you are going to paste your affiliate link here. You can see related link or URL. This is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So you are going to come back on Digistore24 and then click on your link so that you can copy it. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back, paste it here. As considered has been done. Once that is done, you are going to select the category of the product. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to scroll down and then find the right category of the product. Just scroll down. This is a health product, so you have to scroll down and then get to the health category. You can see health and beauty, fitness, health and beauty, health insurance, health and beauty, health service. So just scroll down and then select the right category. You can see weight loss. You can see other health ads. You have to select that. Once you select it, if you want any state in the United States, you can click on it and then select it. In this case, you want to target all the states in the United States, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see add owner name. Type your name here. So you can type your name here. Once you type the name, the next step is your phone number. If you want, you can enter your phone number here, but in this case, I'm not going to enter my phone number. Once that is done, you can see contact email. You have to enter your email address. In case you want to edit the ad, you can do so. So make sure you enter your email address. If you don't want to add your email address, you can leave it blank. In this case, I'm going to enter my email address. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you're going to enter any password that you want. Once you enter the password, enter the validation code here. You can see this is the validation code. Enter the figure here. So 965285. That is it. Once you enter the code, the next step is that you are going to post the ad. So click right here, submit, so that your ad can be posted. Once you click on submit, you can see congratulations, you have posted the advertisement successfully. Your ad ID is this and this. That is the ad ID. You can see this is my password. So if you want to log in, you can log in using your ad ID and the password so that you can edit the ad anytime you want. Your ad is activated already, so the ad is available on the platform and is going to expire in 2024. You can see it here, October 20th, 2024. That is a very long time. In 1 year time, the ad will expire. By then, you should have made a lot of sales. You don't have to leave your ad like this till the expiring date. Make sure you update your affiliate link monthly, because every affiliate link has a cookie duration. If your link exceeds the cookie duration, you are not going to be tracked and paid anytime you get a sale. So make sure you keep on updating your affiliate link. Keep on updating your affiliate link. Do not post an ad and wait till 1 year. Every month you have to update your affiliate link. Anytime you generate an affiliate link, make sure that you update it in 1 month time so that you can be tracked and get paid. If you don't update it, you are going to be putting more effort getting sales, but because the cookie duration has expired, you are not going to be paid. So make sure you take note of that. Once that is done, keep on posting your ads onto this platform. Select a different product, post your ad so that you can be making sales. There are many classifieds websites that you can post your ad for free. When you come here, you can see Canada free classifieds. If you click on it, you are going to find websites that you can use to promote your ad to people who live in Canada. So make sure you keep on posting to different classifieds websites so that you can get more results. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.